Hey guys, welcome to Maths tutorial. Today we will learn how to find partial fraction decomposition of our fraction 1 by x square plus x. So let's learn. The given fraction is 1 by x square plus x. Look at the denominator. There are x common here. So we will write it as x times x plus 1. And we have 1 in the numerator. So we will write it as x plus 1 minus x. Because here x gets cancelled and we have 1. So now we will use grouping and we will write it as x plus 1 in the first group, and in the second group we have just minus x. So we get x plus 1 minus x divided by x times x plus 1. Now just simplify it and we get in the first group x plus 1 by denominator, and in the second group we get minus x divided by the denominator. So we get x by x times x plus 1 in the second group. Now in the first group x plus 1 gets cancelled and we get 1 by x. And in the second group x gets cancelled and we get 1 by x plus 1. So 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1 is the partial fraction decomposition of 1 by x square plus x. Thank you for watching.